This year, you've learned that sentences are organized to make it easy for the reader to understand. When you want to convince or persuade someone with your writing, you organize your sentences to help the reader think clearly and agree with you. Last time, we used this worksheet to organize our sentences. Every reason is paired with an explanation. The explanation says the same thing as the reason, but they use different words. This is what you did with your My Mom is Best piece. Today you're going to organize a new writing in the same way. You'll answer the question, which season is the best season? There is no right answer to this question. Instead, we all have different opinions. In your writing, you want to convince or persuade your reader your opinion is right. Work in groups. Make a list of reasons why your group season is the best season. As you talk and share with your class, practice putting your reasons into different words. You've generated lots of ideas about the different seasons. You now need to choose one season that you'll use for your writing. You want to choose one that has 3 ideas that you can explain clearly by putting into different words. It might not be your favorite season. Instead, it's one you can do a good job on. Take a copy of your Persuasive worksheet. In the opinion section, write the season you've chosen. Which reason can you explain most clearly? Write this reason on the reason line. Now take time to write a sentence about the reason using different words to explain it. Which is the next reason that you can explain most clearly? Finally, write your last reason and explanation in the 3rd section. Real writers don't start writing an essay with a blank piece of paper. Instead, they gather the pieces or elements that they will need. Writers start by brainstorming, generating lots of ideas, and thinking about them. We did that in our groups. Then, writers choose the ideas that work best for what they want to say. They choose ideas that they can explain clearly so that other people will be able to understand them. We did that on our worksheets. Today we're going to write our essay. Take a piece of the class writing paper. Write your name and today's date. In the Writing Skills section, write begin and end signals, 3 connecting words, 3 reasons explanations. These are the skills you want to make sure you show off in your writing. The first sentence signals the beginning of your writing. It tells the reader your opinion. For example, I think winter is the best season of the year. An older writer might use 2 or 3 sentences. You write your beginning signal. To show your ideas are organized, use connecting words. You did that with your Best Mom essay. Here are some ways to introduce a first reason. Here are some ways to connect your second reason to your first reason. Here are some ways to connect your third reason and indicate it's the last reason. Notice that sometimes explanations need more than one sentence to be clear. Write out your reason explanation sentences. Be sure to use connecting words between them. You end with a signal to your reader that you're done. You've learned how to do this with the circle. You end by reminding the reader of the beginning. Another way is to ask your reader a question about your writing. The question and the circle are two ways to signal the end of your writing. Choose one method to write your ending signal. Go back and reread your writing. Does it make sense? Is it easy for someone to understand your thinking? Look back at the top of your paper at your writing skills. Did you give begin and end signals? Did you use connecting words? Did you give 3 reasons, with explanations using different words? Good job!